What's up guys, I'm Gio from Static Vision. Today we're going to be unboxing the Coilovers USA Neomax Super Low with the Swift Spring upgrades for my BMW E38 740iL. Before we start, I want to give a big shout out to Chris Lawrence. He really helped me guide me through getting these coilovers for my car because the specs for the E38 are very out of whack and different and unique. Not a lot of manufacturers make them, so thank you, Chris. So the main reason why I went with these is because I did a bunch of research on Facebook. The guys over in Europe said that they like the way these ride with the Swift Spring upgrades on them, so I did Neomax Super Low Kit with 24K front and 20K rear spring rates. Alright, well let's start digging into this box here. So the first thing that you see is this amazing Coilovers USA Suspension of North America banner style sticker. And then you can see, as we already opened, was the assortment bag of spanner wrenches, tools, and stickers. But going deeper into this bag, you have a bunch of styrofoam that's awesome because they really want to protect getting your coilovers down here in a safe manner. But looking at this coilover itself is beautiful, like satin paint, and of course the Swift Springs looking good as always. You have your full adjustment for preload here, 24-way adjustable dampening, and then you have quite a bit of room in the barrel of the coilover to actually go up or down if you like. For that hot boy status, getting low, baby, get low. Getting on to the front coilovers here, they have an adjustable camber plate on top. They have adjustable camber plates. Adjustable! These are 24K and the rears are 20K. This is for a tighter, harder setup because I will be running very low once I get wheels and tires. I don't know. Yeah, let's get all this onto the table and then we'll get more into depth with it. Now that we have everything unboxed, as you can see, there's quite a big difference in adjustable height on this. These are fully maxed out to the top, and these are fully maxed out to the bottom, and I would say there's about 2.5 to 3 inches of play from top to bottom. I really like the display that they put on, and these stickers are actually pretty cool as well. I think they're just really pretty, really good showpiece. They are on the higher end of the scale for coilovers themselves. These did end up costing me about $1,500 in comparison to maybe BC coilovers, where they're a little bit less expensive. You know, when you need to be a low boy, you gotta get those upgrades. The Swift Springs really go well with the color combination of these coilovers. And then you have the black to match extensions for the rear, go on top of the adjustable dampening, and then just the quality of like the quality of the spanner wrenches themselves look really good as well. Be looking for a install video where we'll be going more into depth about how to actually set up your coilovers for installation. Overall, I am very happy with my purchase. Can't wait to get to installing them. Once again, shout out to Chris for helping me get these. The quality of it is just amazing, and this is a pretty well set up kit. It does come with, the coilovers. They come with, tools that supply you, other such things as stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? I mean, come on. The packaging was very, very well set up for a safe travel. There was no dings, no dents. Everything arrived perfect. I'm just ready to put these on, get on the street. Well, that's it for the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, as well as tell us how you feel about how we did this episode. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What can we do better? Do you like videos just like this? Do we do more of it? As well as we want to know what kind of coilovers that you guys ride on your cars yourselves. We're Static Vision. Remember to turn on that bell to get notifications for when we post. And as always, stay static.